Hey friends, this is Miss Hendry. All right, I wanted to go over our handwriting sheet for today. This is our ABC writing tablet, page 15 and 16. All right, so right here, let Miss Hendry, I almost said Mama. What? Let Miss Hendry find her pen. All right, so right here, guys, I want to make sure that you start trying to write your name, okay? And mom and dad will have to highlight it. But I want you to think about all of the strokes that we've learned. So my last name is Hendry. Pull down, push across, up and around. And just all of our strokes. I want you to really be thinking about pull down and a hump. A ball, push up with a pull down and a hump. Smile with a monkey tail. Some of these we have not learned. But I believe that you guys can start trying to write your name, okay? All right. And so this is our letter O, and it's going to go the lowercase o that says ah for the ostrich who had a sore throat. And he went to the doctor, and the doctor said, say ah. The lowercase o goes in the downstairs under the dotted line. Okay. So it's just a ball. Ready? A ball, a ball, a ball. All right. And then the uppercase one goes in the upstairs and the downstairs. And it's a big ball. Ready? A big ball, a big ball, a big ball. And then we have our ostrich friend down here. We trace her, and then we go to the back. Ready? So O is for ostrich that said oh, but it also can go for octopus, right? Because we hear the ah sound. All right, so again, practice your lowercase o's that say ah in the downstairs. A ball, a ball, a ball, a ball. And then your uppercase ones upstairs and downstairs. A big ball. A big ball, a big ball, a big ball. Good. And then we can practice down here on the octopus's head. A big ball. And then little balls. Little ball. Little ball. Little ball. Good friends. Miss Hendry loves you oh so much. Can't wait to see you one day. Bye bye.